Our next question is from GATE 2019, mass transfer for 2 marks. Two spherical camphor particle of radii 20 cm and 5 cm far away from each other are undergoing sublimation in a stream of air. Mass transfer coefficient is proportional to 1 upon under root r, where rt is the radius of the sphere at time t, right? R is the function of t. Assume that partial pressure of the camphor far away from the surface of the particle is 0. Also assume steady state, identical ambient conditions and negligible heat effects. If T1 and T2 are the time required for complete sublimation of the 20 cm and 5 cm camphor particles respectively, the ratio of T1 by T2 is. Let's start with the solution. You can see here we will use two equations. WA is the material balance, I am applying the material balance. WA is the mass transfer, NA into A, where NA is the mass flux. If we multiply with the area, then we get mass transfer. Kc into Ca into 4 pi r square. Where it is, what is the Ca? Ca is the concentration at the surface of the camphor, right? Or you can use here partial pressure also, since we have given that temperature is constant. Also the assumed quasi-steady state, identical ambient conditions, right? Ambient condition and negligible heat effects. So you can see here temperature will remain same, so we can write it as concentration. Since we can what is the actually Na can be written as Kc into difference in concentration, Ca minus Ca dash we can say, but we know that it is given that partial pressure of the camphor far away from the surface of the particle is 0. So I am writing here only the surface concentration, Kc into Cs into 4 pi r. What is the 4 pi r square? It is the surface area of the camphor particle which is spherical, right? And another Wa also can be written as Wa is equal to d into 4 rho, it is a density, 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume, density in and the volume will be multiply, so it will give you the mass of the camphor, and if we divide it by the molar mass of the camphor, it will give you the moles, and here time, so it will be mole per second. It is also a mole per second, since Na is given as mole per meter square second and area is in meter square, then it will be mole per second. So you can see here density is constant, Ma is constant, and 4 by 3 is constant. If we differentiate it, then it will be 3r square, so it will be outside the differentiation, so it will be 4 pi r square dr upon m into dt. And from these two equations we will equate these two equations. From this we get this, and 4 pi r square to 4 pi r square will be cancelled out, and we can say Ma is constant, density is constant, Ca is also constant, since the partial pressure will not change, since it is a same ambient condition, right? So ambient condition will not change, so Ca will also be constant. So dr over dt is directly proportional to Kc, mass transfer coefficient, and it is given that Kc, you can see here, Kc mass transfer coefficient is proportional to 1 upon under root RT. So I will put this, Kc is directly proportional to 1 upon under root 1 upon under root R, so I can write it as dr upon dt is directly proportional to 1 upon R. So if you integrate this, R will be here, R to the power 1 by 2, it 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2. So T is proportional will be R to the power 3 by 2. If we use two camphor particles, then we will see here T1 by T2 will be R1 by R2 to the power 3 by 2. And we know that T1 by T2, T1 is R1 is 20 centimeter, R2 is 5 centimeter. So we will use these. From this we can see here T1 by T2 is equal to 8. So this is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.